Welcome to Best Sellers Market, your go-to channel for discovering the top products across various categories. Today we have an exciting countdown for you, featuring the best-selling solvents available on Amazon. These products have been carefully selected based on their popularity, effectiveness, and customer reviews. Without further ado, let's dive into the countdown of the best-selling solvent products on Amazon. Stay tuned, as you won't want to miss these top picks that have been making waves in the market. Let's get started. Number 5 on our countdown is the Oil Flow Safety Solvent Cleaner, an exceptional product that's making waves on Amazon. Why, you ask? Let's dive in. This solvent cleaner is widely acclaimed for its excellence. Users rave about its superior performance. Imagine a cleaner that's not only powerful but also water-soluble. That's right, it dissolves effortlessly in water, making your cleaning tasks smoother and more efficient. But wait, there's more. It's non-flammable. Safety is paramount, and with oil flow, you don't have to worry about any fire hazards during use. That's peace of mind right there. One of the standout features? It rinses without foaming. No more dealing with stubborn foam residues. Just clean, pristine surfaces every time. It's a cleaner that gets the job done without leaving a mess behind. And let's talk economics. This cleaner is not just about efficiency, it's about savings too. It's economical, ensuring you get more bang for your buck. Plus, it's labor-saving. Imagine cutting down your cleaning time significantly. More time for you, less time scrubbing away. Oil Flow Safety Solvent Cleaner. 1 gallon 7004 is a game-changer. It's the perfect blend of power, safety, and economy. So, whether you're tackling tough stains or maintaining a clean environment, this solvent cleaner is your go-to. Next up at number 4 on our countdown is the Titan Oil Flow Safety Solvent Cleaner 16 ounce. This little powerhouse has garnered widespread acclaim for its sheer excellence. What sets Titan Oil Flow apart? It's water-soluble. Yes, you heard that right. It dissolves in water effortlessly, making your cleaning tasks seamless and efficient. Imagine cutting through grease and grime with ease, and then just rinsing it away. No fuss, no hassle. Safety is another cornerstone of this product. Non-flammable means you can use it without worrying about potential fire hazards. Safety and performance, all in one bottle. Now, here's something you'll love. It rinses without foaming. Say goodbye to annoying foam residues that take forever to wash away. With Titan Oil Flow, you get a pristine, clean surface without the extra work. And if you're thinking about cost, Titan Oil Flow is your friend. It's economical, stretching your dollar further. Plus, it's labor-saving. Less time scrubbing means more time for everything else in your busy life. In just 16 ounces, Titan Oil Flow Safety Solvent Cleaner packs a punch. It's the perfect blend of efficacy, safety, and value. For those tough cleaning jobs, look no further. Titan Oil Flow has you covered. Ranking at number 3 in our countdown of the best-selling solvents on Amazon is the King Size Shop Solvent Recyclable, Non-Chlorinated Multipurpose, 23-ounce Aerosol. This is more than just a solvent. It's a game-changer in a can. Introducing Castle Shop Solve, a non-chlorinated multi-purpose solvent designed to tackle the toughest cleaning challenges. This powerhouse formula disperses, dissolves, and removes contaminants and organic materials with ease. And here's a standout feature. It's recyclable. Unlike chlorinated solvents, you can recycle Shop Solve with waste oil, making it a greener choice. Safety and performance go hand in hand with Castle Shop Solve. Use it without worry. It won't damage your paint, leave an oily film, or stain fabrics. Imagine a solvent that's tough on grime but gentle on surfaces. When it comes to degreasing and cleaning, this solvent excels. It effortlessly tackles mechanical parts, workshop tools, and equipment. Whether it's dissolving grease, oil, undercoat, or tar, Castle Shop Solve handles it all. Plus, it removes overspray, silicone, and wax with unmatched efficiency. But it doesn't stop there. Need to remove stickers, masking tape residue, trim strips, or bumper stickers? Consider it done. Spot clean fabrics, carpets, and seat belts with ease. Castle Shop Solve is truly multi-purpose, making it an indispensable tool in any cleaning arsenal. King Size Shop Solvent, recyclable, non-chlorinated multi-purpose, 23-ounce aerosol, where performance, safety, and versatility converge. For all your toughest cleaning tasks, trust Castle Shop Solve to get the job done right. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling solvents on Amazon? Well, don't let this cleaning spree slip through your fingers. Mop up the fun by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss a squeaky clean update. At number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling solvents on Amazon, we have a true powerhouse, Belaster, 5 pws, Parts Wash Solvent, 5-gallon. This isn't just another solvent, it's a game-changer for anyone serious about cleaning and maintenance. Belaster Parts Wash Solvent was developed to outperform the usual mineral spirit-based solvents. Imagine a product designed specifically for recirculating parts washers, ensuring maximum efficiency and top-notch results. Safely and quickly, it removes oil, grease, and grime from metals, most plastics, and painted surfaces. No more scrubbing for hours on end. What's truly remarkable about Belaster? It leaves no residue. That's right. No sticky, oily film left behind. This makes it perfect for use on parts that will be painted. A clean surface ready for a pristine finish every time. Safety is paramount with Belaster. Its high flash point makes it easier and safer to use compared to most competitors. No more worrying about hazardous conditions while you work. Belaster manufactures top-quality products that offer exceptional value and unparalleled performance. With Belaster Parts Wash Solvent, you're getting a cleaner that's been engineered to deliver superior results, efficiently and safely. So, if you're looking for a solvent that can handle the toughest cleaning tasks with ease, Belaster, 5 pws, Parts Wash Solvent is your go-to. It's not just a cleaner, it's a revolution in a 5-gallon drum. And finally, taking the top spot in our countdown of the best-selling solvents on Amazon, we have the Dyna 143 Parts Washer Solvent, 5 gallons. This is not just any solvent, it's a pinnacle of innovation and efficiency. The Dyna 143 is a highly refined, odorless solvent that quickly dissolves and flushes away grease, oil, and other soil. Imagine a cleaner that not only performs with unparalleled effectiveness, but does so without the harsh chemical smell. It's like a breath of fresh air in the world of solvents. One of its standout features is the low evaporation rate and vapor pressure, ensuring minimal evaporative loss and reduced employee exposure. This means more of your solvent stays where you need it, doing the hard work of cleaning, while maintaining a safer environment for everyone in the shop. Safety is paramount with Dyna 143. With a higher flash point of 143 degrees Fahrenheit, compared to the 107 degrees Fahrenheit of typical mineral spirits, it significantly reduces flammability hazards in the shop area and storeroom. It's peace of mind, knowing you're using a safer product. And here's where it gets even better. When used in a filtered parts washer, such as the Dyna Clean, this solvent is continuously recycled. Particulates and oils are trapped in filters for disposal, meaning you get maximum usage from your solvent, making it both efficient and economical. Versatility? Absolutely. While it's perfect for use in parts washers, Dyna 143 can be employed for general degreasing tasks, wherever a solvent cleaner is needed. However, a word of caution. It's not advisable for use on plastics. Instead, it's specifically designed for metallic parts. Think fuel pumps, carburetors, filters, master cylinders, valve covers, and rocker arms. Dyna 143 Parts Washer Solvent is a top-tier product, engineered for excellence. For those who demand the best in cleaning performance, safety, and efficiency, this is the ultimate choice. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling solvents on Amazon. To keep up with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Until next time, thank you, and see you soon.